This is the MYTeK room. Surround DSD computer playback via DSD. Let's go take a look.
That's the call for alcohol. Last recall has been even gone. The landlord, he finally paid us all. The second chairs made have put away their homes. And we're standing outside of this wonder, looking so brave, so arrived. Like a power reaper when he finally understands. The bottles empty, yet there's nothing there. I don't know how it happened. It was faster than the eye could feel. But all I can do is hand it to you and your latest trick.
So a few words about what we're kind of doing.
Yeah, what are you doing? My name is Peter. Your name is?
I am Siobhan Littlefield with MYTeK Digital.
Hi.
We're out of Brooklyn, New York, and we make analog digital converters. We're showcasing our Stereo 192 DSD DAC, and it is, we think, the first system that can do multi-channel DSD playback directly from the computer. We've worked very closely with JRiver to perfect the setup, and what we're doing simply is taking one of our stock units and stacking 3 of them together and using a standard USB 2 hub, connecting them to a PC that's running JRiver, and we can play any format of multi-channel that goes up to 5.1. A fire, apparently.
That's right. We got some hot audio going on here, don't we?
The hottest sound of the stage.
This is the hottest sound here today. Okay.
And so we're very proud of this kind of success at this point.
Great. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah, we're going to go
We got
and
cut short.
burn down the house.